This is a side trip going to our house, and we are trekking towards Mount Pinatubo. We took a 1 hour 4x4 drive, and we saw a very beautiful site full of lahar mountains and rivers, gorgeous, and it showed how huge the Mount Pinatubo eruption is, how so much lahar and sand erupted from the volcano. So we are going to the crater and see you in the truck. We are now trekking to the Mount Pinatubo crater, and this is what it looks like. I've heard that there's 2 trails going to the crater. This one that we are taking is from the Santa Juliana barangay, and I think the other one is the more famous trek, and I still haven't done the more famous trek, so maybe in the future. Oh, cold. We just passed the 10-minute mark on the trail, and I think we are nearing the crater. May CR ulit! Welcome to Mount Pinatubo Tourism! Ang ganda naman ng mountains! We finally arrived at the top. I'm still not seeing the crater, but here's the sign. Welcome to Mount Pinatubo. And here's the view. So pretty. Na-develop na nila. So we are the only ones here right now. Meron ng mga signs, no littering. Welcome to the Pinatubo Crater Lake. Wow, it's so beautiful. Hello, welcome back to another travel vlog in my channel. Today we are in Mount Pinatubo. Where we are in right now, Mount Pinatubo Crater Lake. I finished droning and here's the view. It's so beautiful. It's my first time here and I think it's worth the trek. It's worth the 4x4 bumpy ride because the view is amazing. You cannot swim, but because there's a high level of sulfur, but I think you can dip your toes so that you can say that you've touched the Mount Pinatubo water. Oh, it's cool. Oh, it's cool. Sabi nila, sulfur is great for alipunga or something. So, hindi siya gradual. Actually, malalim agad eh. We've trekked for 20 minutes after the 4x4 bumpy ride and we went down the stairs. Actually, ang steep na stairs eh. Parang hindi ko na kaya bumalik. Swimming is strictly prohibited. I'm back to the view deck. That's the view. It's so beautiful. So yan. Develop na nila yung view deck. Sabi nila if there's no COVID, madami daw tao dito. We had fun trekking to the Mount Pinatubo crater. Did you trek? Hindi ka nagpabuhat, diba? So it can be done by, how old are you? It can be done by a 4 years old. It could be done with my dad. My dad is 60 years old, so the trek is very easy. So after trekking for 20 minutes, you will reach this view deck that you will have a view of this beautiful crater lake. And so you can also go down there and you will be able to touch the water, literally, when you're down there. There's some wild ducks over there. I'm going to show you. There you go.
Fork and spoon gagamitin mo. Mamaya na.
We just finished eating and we are going back to the 4x4 and say bye-bye to the crater. So mostly, siguro half of the trek is just plain or level, yung maramdaman yung steepness, but half of it is mostly rocks na parang ganyan, dadaan ka sa rivers, ganon, pero mostly ganito siya, level na yung trail and nasa tabi yung river. We're back at the parking lot ng 4x4. So we're right back. This is our 4x4 and we are going to do an hour of 4x4 going back to where we started a while ago. And I think I can drone for a little bit. So if I can, here's a little drone shot for you.